Have you been looking for some space? Not just inside space, but outside space too. Holy cow. That was a barking fish that just jumped. Did you hear that? This place has a pond. It's on 24.42 acres with Hilton Schools. This one's not one you're gonna wanna miss. There aren't a lot of these. You can't see a thing anywhere. You can't see a neighbor. You can't see a street. You can barely hear a thing, except for that barking fish. Scared the heck out of me. There's a chicken coop. There's a 30-foot by 40-foot outbuilding that you could literally put a lift in, like a car lift. 2,900 square foot main house with a master on the first floor with its own deck. It's got a fully finished walkout basement. Let's go inside. Let's check it out. So the pool and gazebo area, the pool's heated. The gazebo is awesome. The backyard is deceiving because this makes it look like this is the backyard, but really it spreads out in every direction, and it's 24.4 acres. So when you go out this way, there's trails cut for ATVs and dirt bikes and snowmobiles and whatever else you want to do. And that 30 by 40 outbuilding is ideal for storing your toys, whatever you got. And you could, like I say, I keep saying it, but you could put a lift in there and fix your own toys at this place, and you could break them out here and fix them in there. They are actually willing to leave the chickens if you promise to be good chicken parents. So you can have these chickens, I think. I'm pretty comfortable saying you can have the chickens. Hi, buddy. Hey. What's up, chickens? What's up? What are you guys up to? I don't have any food for you, or I'd totally give it to you. Should have brought you guys something. Is that a duck? What are you doing here? What's that duck doing here? I don't know if the duck's included. Then you've got this 40-foot by 30-foot outbuilding that's obviously set up for either an RV or like a car collection with a bar. So you could come out here and you could hang and have a glass of scotch, and you could fix your lawnmower, or you could put a CrossFit gym out here. The way it currently is pretty awesome. And it's got the grill, you know, the stove built in. All the stainless appliances are included. Cool, like new retro backsplash. Like not retro old, new retro. So they just redid this half bath. They picked great finishes for it. They did a good job. This is the master bedroom, master suite. People say all the time, you want to get up in the morning and have coffee on your private deck outside of your master suite, overlooking your in-ground pool on your 24.5 acre property where no one could see you if they wanted to. This is the spot. Check this out. I'm at the master right now. That's my bedroom. That's the pool. There is nobody on earth that could possibly see me. Yeah, so the granite countertops, awesome finishes, brand new bathroom. Check the floor out, it's really cool. First floor laundry is important because this, you really could like have one level living at this house. You could, that's first floor master suite, first floor laundry right next to it. You could do everything you need to do on the first floor here. In addition to the whole 30 by 40 outbuilding that you could fit your car collection in, there's still an attached garage here. And that's nice. In the winter, you can still pull up to your house, get out of your snowy car, have it, you know, melt, and you can even cook out here in your second kitchen. 2 bedrooms upstairs with a Jack and Jill bathroom with closets in each room, nice ones too. with lights. Jack and Jill bathrooms. Bathroom with a nice pocket door here. And we go into the other bedroom. Nice closet. Great organizer too. You can fit a lot in this one. So the architecture of this house is really unique. You've got this awesome dance floor that you definitely fall off of, and I don't recommend dancing on. But it makes the house look awesome. Don't get drunk and walk on that. With this square footage included, it's almost 3,000 square feet. And it's all legal space because it is a true walkout basement. Now, it's a 3-bedroom technically because there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, master suite on the main level. But when I said earlier it could be a 4-bedroom, this is what I meant. This bedroom right here. Basement bedroom with its own egress window next to the full walkout door. So why should you buy this house? Well, it's almost 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, Hilton School District, 24.5 acres, in-ground heated pool with a gazebo, a 30-foot by 40-foot outbuilding that could fit an entire car collection, along with the 2-car attached garage. This place has trails cut out for ATVs and dirt bikes and snowmobiles, a private pond. What have you been looking for? This in Monroe County in Hilton Schools? You got to come see me. Come call me on this one because it's not going to be here for very long. I look forward to seeing it at the open house. Desmond will put up a thing with the date, and we look forward to seeing you then.